Hello, I'm Mugrdechian.
And I'm Chloe Abbott.
And we're here to help you get your TechOn, a one-stop shop for the latest apps, devices, and computer software, bringing you the current trends in media and technology.
This is TechOn. Today on the show, we're going to be discussing drones. And while I'd love to talk about their use as hobby toys, everyone already knows that the nifty little boogers have been delivering packages and racing each other over a few years now. But did you know that soon they could be delivering you? Maybe they could even save your life. We could drone about drones for hours.
I've seen enough sci-fi to know that vehicles in the sky are bound to come crashing down. But you know what's funny? I've never seen an elephant fly. But there are still tests currently being conducted for drones to serve as flying taxis. Tech company Ehang in China have taken thousands of different test flights with their passenger-sized drones in a number of different conditions. Not all were successful, but they had refined the technology before allowing human passengers to take flight. It may be a while before the tech is completely foolproof.
Lucas, could you imagine an air Uber? Instead of having to get in a stranger's car and trust that ever-deceptive star rating system, you can go to a drone pickup station and get transported right to school. Do you think that there might be potential for air buses? Just hundreds and hundreds of drones taking people to different places?
But you know, with air buses, you wouldn't be able to sing, "The wheels on the bus go round and round," because, you know, it's kind of flying, but that's okay. Potential new uses for drones are being found all of the time. Mahir Garamella, an 18-year-old who has won awards for his drone technology, is coming up with a multi-purpose drone which can have different sensors attached based on the situation that they find themselves in. Mahir describes it can be used in environments and situations that would otherwise be dangerous for humans.
Not dying is an important thing to address, which is why something like an ambulance drone could be an important breakthrough. One of these things can whiz right up to someone who is in need of defibrillation and zap, a medical emergency is avoided. Though there is a dark side to drone technology. There is great potential for weaponized warfare on the cheap, as had been evidenced by an airstrike in Russia last January. So it isn't all positive. Drones can take lives as much as they can save them, sadly.
At the Winter Games in South Korea this year, drone catchers were set to catch drones that go within the no-flying zones, meaning that now drones can be made to destroy other drones. So a general rule of thumb is, if you're going to use your drone to record things, don't record things you're not supposed to. Chances are good someone or something will take it down.
But that isn't nearly as cool as training eagles being trained to take down drones. Before there were drone-killing drones, there were eagles, and there is no way that you can deny their awesomeness. Take a look at this clip.
Eagles? Are you kidding me? Eagles are the coolest, but hey, drones aren't all about getting a good look at Olympic performers in less than legal fashion. A drone could save your life.
Places like Louisville are preparing to have drones fly into locations where gunfire has been heard. These drones would be equipped with cameras, meaning that police can look at the scene from different angles that can be advantageous to gauging the situation or catching suspects. How many movies could have ended differently if a drone were hovering just outside to catch the perp on camera? They probably would have figured out who framed Roger Rabbit in the first 20 minutes.
Right. Roger Rabbit. Very topical, Chloe. Now, before you all get too excited to get a drone of your own, please be aware which locations they're legal to be flown in and which are not. Also, as I had mentioned earlier, things that fly in the sky crash into the ground. Learning how to fly your drone well is an absolute must, especially if you have an expensive one.
Who knows, Lucas? You might become the next all-star drone racer if you keep at it.
Right. Hey, do you think Titan TV would buy us a drone if we asked really nicely?
I wish, but after the whole pizza delivery incident from a few weeks ago, Lucas, I don't think we're going to be getting any more perks.
Thanks for bringing that one up again.
Anyways, that's all the time we have for today. I'm Chloe Abbott.
And I'm Mugrdechian. Be sure to tune in next time to get your tech on.